We'll guide you through how to choose between PyCharm and VSCode. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your computer and identify your specific coding needs and preferences. PyCharm is an excellent choice if you're working heavily with Python, as it offers a rich set of features tailored for Python development, like intelligent code assistance, on-the-fly error checking, and robust debugging. It's great if you need a powerful integrated development environment with a lot of built-in functionalities. However, it can be resource-intensive and may require a more powerful machine to run smoothly. On the other hand, Visual Studio Code, or VS Code, is a lightweight, highly customizable code editor suitable for a wide range of programming languages, not just Python. It's perfect if you prefer a faster, more flexible, and extensible editor. With VS Code, you can install extensions to add functionalities as you need them, making it a great choice if you want to work with multiple languages or frameworks. It's also less demanding on your system resources, which can make it a better option for older or less powerful computers. Consider your specific needs. If you primarily code in Python and require a comprehensive toolset, PyCharm might be the way to go. If you need versatility and speed, VS Code is likely the better choice. Both options are excellent, but the right one depends on your personal preferences and project requirements. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.